How to add or remove drivers on your nationwide policy. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in nationwide.com and then search for it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on that. Now go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, look for an option like Add Driver or Manage Drivers. Select this option to begin adding a new driver to your policy. Provide the required details about the new driver such as full name, date of birth, driver's license number, and so on. Review all information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Confirm the addition of the new driver. You may see an immediate update to your policy premium reflecting the change. Nationwide will typically send a confirmation via email or through the app once the new driver has been added successfully. Likewise, in order to remove it, you're going to see the option of remove driver or similar. You might need to provide a reason for the removal. Example, the person no longer drives the insured vehicle. Confirm the removal request, and after the removal, Nationwide will send confirmation that the driver has been removed from the policy. If you prefer assistance or encounter issue with the website or app, you can always contact Nationwide's customer service directly. They can help you add or remove drivers and address your questions about how these changes might affect your policy. So this is how you can easily add or remove drivers on your Nationwide policy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.